go sit outside in nature and remember your senses that move beyond the 5: sight, smell, touch, taste, sight. We have more senses than we even know that are untapped into because we don't spend our time out in nature, absorbing, needing to protect ourselves from the beasts of the woods or the fields. We're here for so much more than just ourselves and, honestly, for each other. We're here to cultivate and protect and be stewards of this earth. So really, how can we do that better? Sit with it, think about it. You might find some answers just by tuning inwards, because all you need is inside of you. That is one drop that will continue to hit home, because all that you seek is within you, including the answers of survival, including the survival skills encoded in your DNA. You can access them, you can tap into them. This is a journey that we're going on together, so stay tuned, subscribe, and thank you for liking this video.